my name is Edgar Pedresa, and in this video I'll be covering how to modify a USF file. So in this video I'll be starting off with creating a USF file from the takeoff program, and then I'll be importing that USF file to the job program and seeing that there's some kind of mistake or some error that I want to fix. So I'll take that USF file, I'll modify it, and then I'll re-import it back into the job program and then have the fix there. So let's get started. And we're going to go ahead and open up the takeoff program. And as you can see here, I already have Van's headquarters week 1 open. And one thing to note before we get started is every step leading up to modifying a USF file, we've already have created videos on each of these steps. So go ahead and reference those videos, like how to create a USF file, how to add special entities within edit whole locations table, and how to import a USF file to the job program. So those are some videos you'd want to take a look at before we go and start. But I'm just going to go ahead and create this USF file, so I'm going to check the part. So W753175 is the one we're working with, and I already know that part is going to be machine under planet. And now I'm just going to go ahead and check that my directory is set to the correct location. It should be under satellite, cam, LDT, perfect. And then I'm going to go ahead and go through this process. Okay, no. And then I'm going to go ahead and find my shop recorder. Once again, if you need help finding the shop recorder, we have a video on that. So please reference that video. USF File-3175. I'm going to save that. Okay. Close. And then I'm going to go ahead and open up the job program. $31.75. Okay. And the part we're going to look at is this HM2-3A. And what we're going to get rid of is this notch here. So this machining, that if we go ahead and select this, we're going to go and stretch this out so we can see the full name of it. So this 3C, 6CC, and 9A6. We're going to go ahead and delete that. So we're going to open up the USF file. And then we're going to go ahead and type in Control F. And what we could do is we could go ahead and just look for all the 3A's, but that will give us all these other instances that have a 3A in it. So let's go ahead and just do HM2-3A, and then we'll find the exact mark number. So here's one. And if you recall, this is that first line of text. That's the one we want to delete. So we're going to go ahead and delete that, get rid of that space, and then we're going to go ahead and continue and find the next mark number with that same machining. And then let's see if there's one more. Nope, that's it. Okay, so now we're just going to go ahead and save this. For this example, I'm only modifying this USF file to delete an absolute machining on one end. But there's other modifications we can do as well. We could change this LDT. We could change the position. So we could go here and under X position or Y position, we could change those numbers around depending on what we want. Or we could change the cut on each end. So instead of having 90 and 90, we could change it to 45 or 135. The only change or modification to a USF file we want to avoid is the cut size. We don't want to change the cut sizes because we have to change it our inches to metric, so we want to avoid having to change those here. But let's go ahead and close this, re-import it, and I'm going to select no. Planet week 1, 3175. Okay, HM2-3A, and there you have it. See how it doesn't have that notch on the bottom? If we look for the other HM2-3A, there should only be one more. And we check that check that here. It doesn't have it either. So there we have it. And that's all you need to do. Now we can go ahead and push this out. But this has been how to modify a USF file. Thank you for watching.